Hey, tech enthusiasts! Today, let's talk about something fascinating. Green blockchain. What's it all about and how does it work? Let's dive right in. First off, what is a green blockchain? Well, it's essentially a blockchain technology designed to be environmentally friendly. Traditional blockchains like Bitcoin consume massive amounts of energy due to their proof-of-work consensus mechanism. Green blockchain aims to tackle this issue by implementing more sustainable and energy-efficient protocols. Now, how does it work? The magic lies in the consensus mechanisms. Instead of relying on proof of work, green blockchains often use proof of stake or other less energy-intensive consensus algorithms. In proof of stake, validators are chosen based on the number of coins they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. This drastically reduces the computational power needed and consequently the energy consumption. Another exciting aspect is the use of renewable energy sources. Some green blockchain networks actively seek to power their operations with solar, wind, or hydroelectric energy. This not only makes them eco-friendly but also aligns with global sustainability goals. Let's get a bit deeper. Green blockchain also introduces the concept of carbon credits. Participants can earn or trade carbon credits based on their energy consumption. This creates an incentive to minimize the carbon footprint and promotes greener practices within the network. But it's not just about energy efficiency. Green blockchains often aim to be more scalable and cost-effective. By reducing the computational load, transaction speeds can be faster and fees can be lower. This makes the technology more accessible and practical for everyday use. There are already some notable examples in the field. For instance, Algorand and Tezos are making waves with their environmentally conscious approaches. Algorand uses a pure proof-of-stake mechanism, while Tezos employs a liquid proof-of-stake model. Both are significantly more energy efficient than traditional proof-of-work blockchains. In summary, green blockchain represents a significant step forward in making blockchain technology sustainable. By adopting energy-efficient consensus mechanisms, leveraging renewable energy, and promoting eco-friendly practices, green blockchain could very well be the future of decentralized technology. So, there you have it. A quick look into the world of green blockchain. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, keep exploring the tech frontier. Thanks for watching.